Arvind Garu is like an elder brother, and when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes. You know that, sir. I said yes. Then he said, no, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's release film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है, और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो ऑल माई वेरी बेस्ट. I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chicka, Dinka Chicka. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. Yeah, I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So you know. So I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, कि ये it's a true story and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह ट्रेलर में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
When Chandu told me the idea, like Arvind sir said, in a very documentary kind of form, I was so excited as an actor. Which actor won't be? I mean, this film has so much of span. We're going from this village, Srikakulam, to Gujarat, all the way to Pakistan, and there's a beautiful love story. So we decided to start the journey. The script wasn't ready by then. We decided to start the journey, and we went to Srikakulam to meet all the fishermen and to learn about their lives and to learn about their challenges. And that's when I realized what a big challenge this film is going to be for me. Because listening to their stories, their experiences out in sea, they're out in sea for almost 8 months in a year, and there's no connect to reality. They don't have any sort of cell phone communication or whatsoever. Listening to all these challenges really grounded me and really inspired me as an actor, because these are the real heroes and their stories have to be told. And very rarely do actors, do we get such inspiration from real moments to tell stories. So I think it's a huge opportunity for me, and I'm really blessed as an actor to be able to be a part of this film. When the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter, at least for me. You know, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, you know, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in. The look was pretty, you know, growing my hair, beard and all. I think the most challenging part about the transformation was the dialect, the Srikakulam dialect. It's very unique in sound. It's very far off from the Telugu we speak in the city. So, you know, getting that right was the biggest challenge for me.
It's a true story happened in nearby Vizag, in a small village. Those people have gone to Gujarat for a better coolie to go into the sea and do a fishing for 30 days and come back. Unfortunately, due to some weather problem, they crossed the international borders, and suddenly they realized Pakistan people have caught them and took them to jail, and they were there for 2 years to come back. And the whole family in this village here, how they suffered, how they rose to bring them back, what is their struggle there, and all this is the story of the film. Straight, I'm telling you. I'm inspired by the 10 lines of the story, and we approached those 20 people who stayed in the Pakistan jail, took rights from all of them, though somebody has written the story, and then gave the small story to this gentleman. And this gentleman took 9 months to develop into a proper 1.5 hour narration to me. And on the day when he gave narration to me, I was flat on that floor, right? He developed in such a way. He intertwined the love story so much into it. And the Pakistan jail scenes and the village scenes, the love story, all these things.
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju, I mean, Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him.
Yeah.
From among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay?
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love, okay, all the way to demachilism, a small village, he goes to Delhi to get them back. As it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Bannivasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it, it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right, right.
To read them. He is not only music director for this film, he is also writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad.
I think a good story always works. Across genres, it could be action, it could be drama, it could be romantic. If your story is good, it always works. It always starts from the story. Right.
And which director can do that, and which hero suits that? These three should fall in line. Then it's a hit.
So it's a collective thing, of course, you know.
Starcast should be as per the story. Story decides everything. That's what I feel.
Right.
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah? He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah? So we couldn't have asked for anything better. Right. It was such an amazing experience working with Jay, and that you know got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today.